flooring friends? Come make a design board with me using one of West Coast Flooring's favorites, Grande Golden Oak from Cortec. Today I'm going to be showing you two different ways you can design this LVP using some warm tones and cool tones to hopefully act as inspiration for your next home remodel. We're going to start off with our warm tone design, as we're going to put a nice white cabinet there to be a nice simple look, along with a wonderful neutral but still warm tone countertop slab. Now, of course, if you're interested in getting tile in your bathroom or kitchen, I believe this 12 by 24 white-based tile is going to be beautiful because, I mean, look at those veinings complementing the LVP colors. Now, of course, since we have very simple designs, I figured we'd add a little bit more of a higher design for the backsplash, tying in all the colors we have in this board. For the cool tone design, I decided to keep the same tile just to show how versatile both the tile and LVP are, with some gray cabinetry, along with maybe even a white countertop just to add a pop of color. And of course, you know I love a good design for a backsplash, so I decided to add this piece in. It would be beautiful for your kitchen and bathrooms. I hope you guys enjoyed these two boards as I enjoyed making them. I do anticipate making some more. All of the products will be listed in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below which products and colors you'd like me to use next. As always, have a happy Friday, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.